Working on concept boats at VPLP Design is the ideal way to go beyond our usual constraint. It gave us the opportunity to design what we think is the perfect yacht, facing the new environmental challenges. It's also a huge reservoir, which from our design team can pick up many new ideas and use them in the new projects.
Creative process is really personal. At VPLP, we always begin by the identification of keywords, which give us the directions to follow. It's really fundamental for us to start with dozen ideas, to exchange, to debate, not always with the design team, but also with the architect, the engineers, to finally make the good choices to end up with 3 keywords. Audacious, as in bold, as we enter into a brand new design territory. Emblematic, as in symbolic, of VPLP Design's creative ambitions. And aerial, as in light, as a feather, and simple as the shape of the seagull. Then, to help us on the creative phase, we are looking for visual inspiration in order to identify themes and seize the moment where we create a mood board. First inspiration, architecture, with monolithic blocks, preserving the privacy with the opening to the outside. Second inspirations, graphic patterns to imagine roof skylights. And third inspiration are birds, the swan for a protective environment and the seagull for the performance and aerodynamic aspects.
Seabirds are fascinating for their complete adaptation to the natural environment and their agility both in the air and water. The name of the concept expresses the intention of a timeless yacht, propelled by the wind and in a perfect harmony with the sea.
Ideas are emerging and we, the designer team, are very thrilled to start the project. And now it's time to sketch. So many hand drawings were made. We brainstormed a lot of proposals and in the end we came up with the evidence. Next step, we go into the details. We identified 3 main values that define the concept of our boat. The first one is a design shaped by nature. We chose to design a boat with a monolithic sculpture inspired by seabirds. The second one is inviting light into the living spaces. This was achieved through a graphic pattern of roof openings, just like sun rays that pass through the leaves in a forest. The third value is a yacht imagined for the different moments of life on board. The front deck for privacy and intimacy, and the rear deck for sharing moments of life with friends and family. Now that we have the dream, let's get real with the architectural plans.
Choosing wind as a mean of propulsion is also choosing the benefit of silence, of tranquility, and also the respect of nature. Therefore, Seaffinity is equipped with 2 Oceanwings developed by Aero.
From now, our Seaffinity concept is totally defined. The next step is to show a realistic impression of it by using 3D renderings.
Now it's time to let the color and the textures in. And give life to this yacht in total harmony with its environment.
Seaffinity represents VPLP's design vision of a boat in the not-too-distant future, a yacht designed to be in harmony with the surroundings. I'm really proud of our team who worked so hard on this unique and very bold concept. And I would also like to thank Patrick Lequaimont, who design directed the team who penned Seaffinity.